So guys, look what I want. Me go back for seconds. Mommy plate done. Boss lady plate done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Taz at Taz So Cold. Alright, so boom, today is Saturday, and as a Jamaican, as a true Jamaican, you know on a Saturday what is going to be prepared. Alright, so you leave the house in Jamaica, you go back home, you know mommy look about dinner. You know what she gonna look about, but you don't know what she gonna look about. Like, you know that the meal is going to be a soup, but you don't know what kind of soup. So today we're going to look about soup. All right, so what kind of soup? I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, we ask the boss lady. Should ask the boss lady what she want, right? And then that would narrow it down and make it easier for me, right? Alright, boom. Hey babe, what kind of soup you want? I look about soup. What kind of soup you want?
Chicken foot.
You want red peas and chicken foot?
Yeah, I eat that.
You eat that?
Yeah.
With some cow skin?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so you don't know.
Stadium days.
Stadium days?
Yeah.
Like when you get licked?
No.
Like when you did fight?
Wow.
And your father grabbed you by your shirt collar? So?
Wow. No, when I was a baller, shot caller.
Baller, shot caller?
Yeah.
I was a baller. You ain't no baller.
So, I know you want to see my face.
Eh? No. You're good. I'm just saying, you ain't no baller.
Oh.
I was a baller. You consider after netball is no baller. See that? Catch.
Give me.
Oh. She said she a netballer. She feel like she a baller. Netballer. Basketballer. Alright, so that is it. We'll look about some cow skin and some chicken feet. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I choose my ingredients and stuff like that. What we put inside of the pot and everything. So stay tuned. We're gonna show you what we're going on. Alright guys, boom. So I'm at the Namemun, where the farmer's market, where I'm gonna pick up a few items for the soup. So you don't know soup time. I'm gonna show you what I want. Alright, so this is the farmer's market where I come to get my things, the ingredients.
You have black wall traffic in the brother?
What do you mean me a wall traffic?
What's the name? Up on jackfruit.
Who remember jackfruit? Jackfruit I feel green, brother. You know what kind of jackfruit I'm in a smell it.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Alright, so we'll pick up a good piece of yam now. Good piece of yellow yam. Yellow yam. Awesome. If anyone wants to see good piece of yam, I'm missing out of it. Say it in the comment section, alright? Please mention it in the comment section if y'all see me passing a good piece of yam. What I used to choose my yam, you see the ones that has these on it, like a little hair. Normally it's a good piece of yam. Alright, so we're choosing this piece. That's what we're going with.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah. So I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright guys, so I reach come back late, but I'm still all cook. So I'm gonna put on the pot now. I'm gonna get everything together. So come along for the journey, don't? Nah man, I lie. Okay guys, so we have the cow foot. We are gonna steam this. I mean pressure. We will pressure this. So we are wash it and clean it up and put it in the pressure cooker and do that. You have to wash off your meat with vinegar. You have to wash off your meat with vinegar. gonna do now, I'm going to boil the meat. I'm gonna scald the meat. So you're actually taking off the fat and all of that, whatever smell that may be left over, you're gonna scald it off, okay? So after that, then you transfer it to the big pot. Alright, so guys, look, transfer everything to this pot. So that's how we're looking so far. So this is how we're looking so far, right? So we're gonna let it cook now. So we just put in the yam and the corn, the dumpling, all of that. We just transfer to this pot. So we're gonna allow it to cook. And then we're giving a taste test and see what take place. I mean, that is it. Alright, lock up the pot and make it go and cook. Alright, so yo guys, me there cook and my mother there, boss lady there, and me there I start reminisce and me I think about when me did younger. The first time me thief. The first time me thief. And the last time me thief. You wanna know, so the first thing me thief was chicken. Sure. Yeah man, so if you me the first time me thief and the last time me thief. The first time me thief was chicken. So my grandmother by my father's side, rest in peace mama. So you want to know, say holiday and I go by my grandmother. See? So me and my cousin outside and we are play. And my cousin Brian goes so boom and go in and I see him come out with chicken and get him chicken. Me don't know if I ask him ask for it and get it. So me say alright, guess what? Me I go for my chicken. He didn't tell me say him asking or something. Me just go in there, me not see mama, me see the chicken them put on. Just come out of the pot. So me take up one nice drumstick and heading for the door. Me hear my grandmother they come round because she usually fry chicken in the shop for sell. Me hear my grandmother they come round. So me push the chicken, the hot chicken in my pocket. So when me push the hot chicken in my pocket, the hot chicken. Say hot chicken fast, fight.
Hot chicken.
Alright, so I'm alone and heavy tongue. I'm alone and heavy tongue. Anyway, me push the hot chicken in my pocket, good? So my grandmother stopped me one time and said, Junior, you hungry? I said, no mama, I'm good. He said, you sure? I said, yeah man, I'm good. That time the chicken they burn me, me leg yeah. Me say my leg they on fire, you know, man. My mama, whoa, my belly. And the chicken a burn me and my grandmother they chat me out, you know, cause he knows me have the chicken in my pocket. And he knows he just take them off fire, you know. So he knows that they hot, you know. And hey, Mr. My granny chat me. And then they ask me all different type of sitting and the chicken did that bun me and I say, Jesus, peace, what is me put myself in?
Oh God, I feel it to my heart.
I say, what is me put myself in? The chicken a bun me. So all this time, you know, when mama done chat me, mama say, take the chicken out of your pocket. Me say me nearly drop down. Me say, mama, me I say to myself, what a woman wicked. Fi see me take out the chicken. I know say. Memory card full pan now and you know. Yeah man, but my granny, I first time me thief and I last time that me thief. Me learn my lesson, brother. Me not thief again. Cause boy, the chicken they burn off my foot. Pot of bubble, you know. Pot soon ready. That one there go shot. Yeah man, that one there go shot, man. You can see it. You can smell it too. That one there go shot. You remember nothing?
So long.
That's so long? When you, so about the time you lick down bumpy.
You mad? Can't go talk to me.
You bumpy a full beer buckle. Boop, lick down bumpy. Alright, sit there now. Sit there now. Sit there now. Boat land, you know? Boat land. Yeah, brother. Boat land. Alright, so I'll share out and give you a taste test. Alright, brother, hold on there. Alright, see there. Back at it again. See it there. See it there. Alright. Cheers. Alright. Give me some grace there. Yo, teacups already? Yeah. See that? Thick, you know? Alright, let me taste and see what I want. You see that, Grace?
Yeah. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Mm?
Yeah, flavorful.
Yeah, man, you ready for two, man?
Yeah, it's good.
Mm-mm.
How is it going?
Good.
It's
Good
bomb.
man. Good.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
You ready?
You ready for trouble?
You ready? That's so cold soup again. Again. You bad with you now? Oh, now talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, there, brother.
It's good.
You did really have your attention in our kitchen.
I mean, you see it though.
And their tea for the food.
You see it here, I'm bad. I didn't even taste the yam yet, and I see it here bad. Go hold on there. I don't put no yam in my plate. How I go on there?
Good.
That means I go back with seconds and third.
What you do?
What make? I drink soup all night tonight, you know.
I believe you.
You know what about this?
What?
The conch.
No, sir.
No, sister?
We not get the vibe.
Who feels say? little conch with a body in ice soup. Make me know.
Me not get that.
Huh?
Seafood.
I get no conking no.
No, sir. You're going too far, brother.
Yo, conch in a seafood soup, in a soup is bad. Nah, yeah, I don't even know how me cook.
Foolish.
In a red pea soup bad.
No.
Yeah, man. You never eat it. Eat bad, man. I have to go back in that pot, you know. Eat bad.
Bad. You can't even decide which direction to go.
You know, you know which direction.
You want to eat.
Yeah, I eat everything. Bad for you. Bad. It's bad for you. Hey, you don't know what time I know where I eat this soup?
11:15.
11:15. Almost midnight.
When man hungry time no come.
Okay.
When man hungry time no come. I want a shot. So guys, look what going. Me go back for seconds. Mommy plate done. Boss lady plate done. Mommy mash up his soup, you know? And look at him bowl like big.
Soup bad man.
He bad. He bad. Me go back for seconds. Me. The soup too bad, brother. Me have to go back for seconds. Oi, oi. Alright, let me devour this and come back. You don't know how me stay when it come on to food. Me have to mash up that soup here right now. Right? You know, mash up the soup. So thanks for tuning in. Leave your comment in the comment section if you think me should add something to the soup or take out something. What kind of thumbs down?
But adding more stuff.
Oh, it right. Is it just right?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay. So make sure you hit that like button. You know, say me need to complain to YouTube because I look like my like button now work, you know. Gonna now hit me like the like button as hard as I don't know if you hit the like button, you know. Hit the like button. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell your friend, if you tell a friend, to subscribe to Taz Code. See? I'm out.